Welcome to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In the previous session we have learnt to view the daybook, to filter the daybook, to duplicate a voucher, to delete a voucher. In today's session we will learn what are cost centers and how to pass a voucher. First we will understand what are cost centers. In Tally ERP 9, the cost center could refer to an organizational unit to which costs or expenses can be allocated during transactions. It can be also called a separate department within a business to which costs can be allocated. For example, we will consolidate the expenses and revenues resulting from the ongoing activity of the organization between cost centers, Marpusa and Punjam. First we will activate Cost Center feature. Click on Features or press the shortcut key F11. Company Features will open. In that go to Accounting Features. Accounting Features screen will open. In that we go, Cost Profit Center Management option. Under that, Maintain Cost Center we type Yes. Press Enter and accept all the remaining options. Press Escape key to go back. Now we will create the two cost center Marpusa and Punjam. We go to Accounts Info. In that we click on Cost Centers. Click on Create. Cost Center Creation screen opens up. In that enter the first cost center Marpusa, keep it under primary and accept Yes. Now enter the next cost center Punjam. Accept Yes. Press Escape key to go back. Now we will check the cost centers. Click on Display. And we see that both the cost centers are displayed. Press Escape to go back. Now let's take a transaction and understand the voucher entry. Paid rent rupees 10,000, which will be equally divided between both the cost centers. Go to Accounting Vouchers. Payment voucher is opened. We need to enter rent on the debit side. We do not have the ledger, so we press Alt+C and create the ledger. Ledger creation secondary screen opens up. Enter the ledger rent under the group Indirect Expenses. Cost centers are applicable, you have to type Yes. Enter the amount 10,000. Now we see that cost allocation for rent screen opens up. Select the first cost center Marpusa. Enter the amount 5,000. Now select the second center Punjam, press Enter. Enter the credit ledger cash. Accept Yes. Great job. Now, we will look at using predefined cost center allocations in Tally ERP 9. Predefined cost center allocation. Defined cost center allocations means that we can define the percentage of the allocations that we want to give to our cost centers. Click O Features or press F11. Go back to Accounting Features. Go to Use Predefined Cost Center Allocations in Transaction Type Yes. Auto Cost Allocations screen will open. Enter a class name that you want. I am entering 60 by 40. Under Cost Category option, select the first cost center MAPSA. Then enter the percentage 60%. Select second center Punjab and remaining 40% will automatically come. Now press Enter. Press Enter and accept all the options. Press Escape to go back. Let's take another transaction now. Paid rent ₹10,000, which should be divided between MAPSA 6,000 and Punjab 4,000 on accounting vouchers. Payment voucher is opened. We select the cost center class 60 by 40. Enter the debit ledger rent. Enter the amount 10,000. Enter the credit ledger cash. Amount will automatically come. Accept the voucher. For better understanding, let's check the cost center report now. Click on Display. In that, Statements of Accounts, Cost Centers, click on Category Summary. And we finally see that the amounts are automatically adjusted between both the centers. Let's revise. In today's session we have learnt how to create cost centers and pass voucher with that, and how to use predefined cost center allocations. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.